Hello guys, welcome back. This is your friend Kaliskin with my green babies. I hope you are doing well and thank you for supporting my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now and click that bell button for notifications of my new uploads. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment and share to your friends and families. Repotting. Lagi nating naririnig ang salitang repotting kapag meron tayong mga halaman. How important is it? So think about when we were just kids. Diba, almost every year, nagpapalit tayo ng mga sizes ng mga damit natin kasi minsan sobrang sikip na at hindi na tayo makagalaw. At hirap na rin sa paghinga. Ganon din po ang ating mga potted plants. Pag sobrang sikip na dahil ang laman ng pots ay puro na mga roots, mahihirapan na sila sa kanilang pagtubo. Kapag root-bound na ang ating mga potted plants, tatamlay at magiging stunted na ang kanilang pagtubo. Kaya karaniwan, lumiliit ang mga bagong dahon. During repotting, pinapalitan natin ang mga soil para maging fresh. For me, I don't have special soil recipe. I normally use the regular Miracle Grow potting mix and I just add orchid potting mix. As you can see the mixture, may mga charcoal, tree barks, and perlite na siya to provide good aeration or airflow and good drainage. And guys, kapag fresh yung soil medium natin, nabibigyan ng good nutrients ang mga plants. At syempre, tuloy pa rin ang fertilization every 2 weeks kung water soluble ang gagamitin natin. At kung slow release naman gaya ng osmocot, ay abot ng 6 months before reapplication. Disclaimer lang po, hindi po sponsored ang mga products na ginagamit ko. Sadyang itong mga brand lang na ito ang aking mga ginagamit at effective naman. When repotting, size up a few inches at a time. The new pot should be at least 2 inches bigger than the old one. The reason for this is if the container or the pot is too big, yung plant natin will be surrounded with too much soil which retains water for a long time. Hindi ka agad-agad ma-drain yung tubig. Too much water retention will result to root rot that will eventually kill the plant. A smaller amount of soil dries out more quickly and allows oxygen to reach the roots. Depending on the kind, most plants need to be repotted once a year. Some slow growers might just need top dressing to keep them going. Spring to summer are the best time to repot your plants. During this time, it is hot. That will help the soil dry out fast. This is also the growing season, so it is best to repot them as soon as possible. So ayan guys, don't be afraid to pull the plant from the old container. But just be careful not to hurt them. Mag-ingat lang sa pagtanggal ng mga old soil. Hindi na po kailangan natanggalin lahat para hindi masyado ma-disturb yung mga ugat. Ito nga pala guys, si Philodendron Florida Ghost. Almost 1 year ko na siyang nabili at may 3 dahon lang siya noon. Medyo slow grower lang nga siya. Ipinakikilala ko din guys si Monstera borsigiana albo. Isa siyang variegated split leaf monstera. Juvenile pa siya guys kaya hindi pa nag-split yung mga dahon niya. Sobrang liit pa nito noong nabili ko. 3 small leaves lang siya sa halagang $180. Kaya pikit mata ko siyang binili dahil gusto ko talagang magkaroon ng ganito. So iriripat din natin ito guys. But for this, hindi ko gagalawin ang kanyang soil kasi very healthy pa yung soil niya at saka yung roots. The roots looks really healthy. Kaya ilalagay ko lang siya sa bagong pot and then dadagdagan ko ng mga bagong soil. Another tip guys na i-share ko sa inyo ay ang nilalagay ko sa bottom ng nursery pot. Malalaki ang drainage hole kaya to prevent too much erosion, I placed a weed barrier cloth. So ganyan lang, I cut it around a little bigger than the bottom, place it under before I add soil. I do this guys sa lahat ng mga nursery pots na ginagamit ko. And because my little Monstera Borsigiana albo is getting bigger and turning from juvenile to matured plant, it's about time to provide a moss pole for the roots to hold on to. At the time I recorded the repotting, its new leaf is just about to unfurl. So after a few days, here's the first split leaf of this amazing green baby. At this point guys, balikan natin yung mga tanong noong nakaraang vlog ko about Kokedama. Shoutout uli kay Life Through You Eyes, Fats Vlog, at idagdag na rin natin si Ava Lorraine. First thing that I can share is that we must have to have compassion for our plants. We treat them like our baby or our pet. These plants are living things. They provide us clean air, beautification, and everything that we can think about plants. If we have compassion for them, everything else will follow. Yan lang talaga ang top secret ko guys, how to keep my plants alive. I check on them every day, paggising ko sa umaga, greet na agad sa kanila. Kahit minsan matutulog na nga lang, dadaanan pa. Kadalasan din guys, katabi ko sila sa pagtulog. Look! We also have to have knowledge about the plants because they have different characteristics. Number one enemy ng plants? Sitting in a puddle of water for a long time. Just like us. We don't want to sit in a puddle of water. I know it is tricky, but I learned a lot in a hard way. I killed a lot of indoor plants before. And I still do. We can't be perfect. We learn from our mistakes. But we make a research and get to know our plants. For Ava's question, still tricky because pareho lang eh. Either nakapat siya or naka-Kokedama, still almost the same. We just always keep an eye on them. Hanggang dito na lang guys at sana ay may natutunan kayo sa video kong ito. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, suggestions or recommendations. If you have questions, I will be very happy to answer the best I can. Shout out to Kajosa Premier Support Group sa laging pagsuporta at sa dalawa nating channel members, Josapher Vlogs and Hazeljan Adventures. Please don't forget to check and subscribe to them as well. Bye for now and see you in my next vlog.